how to see how many copyright strikes you have on YouTube. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So on the YouTube homepage, hover over your username to the top right and then click on YouTube Studio. Now, from the dashboard, you will see any copyright strikes that you have under a card that says active violations. If we take a look at Google support, it says info about copyright strikes. On the dashboard, look under active copyright strikes for info about copyright strikes. So I don't have any active copyright strikes, so of course I cannot see anything that says active violations. Now, another way to check copyright strikes is by going to your channel content, click on filter here, and then go to copyright. You will then see all of the videos that have been copyright striked. If you hover over copyright, you can then click on see details for your copyright strike. So I did get a copyright strike, but it expired on the 15th of January, and that is why I cannot see any copyright strikes on my dashboard, because it expired. So Google will tell you on your dashboard how many copyright strikes you have, and this will always be there as long as you have copyright strikes.